Part of reprogramming our mind takes consistent effort. You need to put up signs, visual signs to help you remember the positive things that you want to feed your mind. So for me, I've created an affirmation side on my mirror. As you can see, it goes from the top and it goes all the way down to the bottom with all of the inspiring quotes that I have been interested in. I will share some with you. I am one, I am love, I am free. Just show up and take action. Overcome resistance. It puts it in your head, this is what I do. All of these things are so important to me. Mindset reset. This is temporary. This too shall pass. Opportunity to practice non-interference. All of this is really good to help reprogram my mind to be much healthier and happier. Pain is weakness leaving the body. I tell myself that one a lot when I'm in the gym. Roads to genius, a voluntary self-effort. You've got to put in the effort, guys.
Today I done a lot, but I don't really have a lot to show because a lot of this stuff was typing, filling in forms, chasing up emails, organising the diary, and well, I got a little bit bored. But hey, I started getting stuff ready for my radio slot this week. And I found this video of me listening to my promo for the very first time. Oh, the nerves began to kick in.
Welcome to Hope on Prescription, inspiring hope as an antidote. Every other Thursdays from 2 p.m. to 3 p.m, tune in to Valley Park Radio for that real feel-good content, igniting hope in our hearts. Visit www.hopeonprescription.co.uk to find out more. I cannot wait to hear you there.
You can tune in this Thursday on www.valleyparkradio.org.uk. Back to my busy to-do list. This is actually an old video of me having a very important phone call and I didn't use it, so I decided to use it today just to make this video look a little bit more creative.
So I decided to do some organising today. Does anyone else's kids nag you to buy toys that they don't even open?
Well, that's pretty much all from me today, guys.